ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ಜಿ ಪಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಟಿ ಟಿ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ by Sridhar Badgere. See, let's see. First question is this one. If n is equal to 6, the correct sequence of filling of electrons. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, in an atom the electrons are present. Electrons are filled according to their increasing order of energies, means from ground state, from lower energy orbital to higher energy orbitals, electrons are filled like this. So first 1s, then 2s, 2p, like this. So the trick is 1s, if you start from 1s and then 2s, then 2p, then 3s. After that we have to fill electrons to this tail end, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, like this. If you fill goes on filling like this, after 6s you get 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, like this. So we are here, we are filled. After 6s we are having 4f, then 5d, 6p, 5d, 6p. So the option is third one, this ns, n minus 2f, n minus 1d, nf, nf. So option is third one. Next question. The paramagnetic molecules among the following is H2, Cl2, NeO2. Here H2, there are only 2 electrons. This is electrons pair up, this is para. Cl2 also 34 electrons, each Cl 17 electrons. Neon is 10 electron, it is also diamagnetic. Means the trick is, if electrons are even, then it is a diamagnetic. If electrons are odd, then it is a paramagnetic. Even though here O2 also having 18 electrons, it's having even number of electrons, 18. According to rule, it should be electron should be pair up and it should be diamagnetic, but O2 is a paramagnetic. How we can prove? O2 is not a diamagnetic, it is a paramagnetic. We prove this by molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory, see, oxygen, here total 16 electron, each here left side 8 electrons I am filling, here 8 electrons, this 8 electrons I am filling, here 2 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this. Here also I filled 8 electrons. So these 8 atomic orbitals, this here this atomic orbitals having 8 electrons, these atomic orbitals having 8 electrons, they fill. See, here 2 to 4 electrons, here I have filled, so this orbital completed. Here 2 to 4 electrons, here I fill 2, here I have 4. So remaining here how much? 4 electrons, here 4 electrons, total 8 electrons I have to fill in these orbitals. First 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons I have filled, then 7th and 8th, these electrons are not paired, these electrons are filled singly. This is according to Hund's rule. I will explain this Hund's rule after next in coming videos. So here there are 2 unpaired electrons, therefore oxygen is the paramagnetic molecule among the following. So next question, acidic salt among the following. So easy trick ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, it is if strong acid and weak base combination ಇದ್ದರೆ it is a acidic salt, weak acid and strong base combination ಇದ್ದರೆ basic salt, strong acid and strong base ಇದ್ದರೆ neutral salt. So here potassium sulfate, we'll see, potassium sulfate is a combination of strong base and strong acid, therefore this is a neutral salt. Similarly sodium bicarbonate, it is a basic, because is a strong base and a weak acid combination, therefore it is a basic salt. Similarly here potassium perocyanate, this is just an inorganic compound, it is not comes under salt. The second, this is ferrous ammonium sulfate, is acidic salt because the NH4 it's having NH4 plus and Fe plus 2 ions. The mainly acidic nature comes from this NH4 plus ion because it is having ionizable proton. Andre any proton ionize ಆದಾಗ that will give acidic character. So this more salt or ferrous ammonium sulfate is acidic. So option is second one. This is ferrous ammonium sulfate. Then next question, secondary amine is if four option methylamine, ethyl methylamine, trimethylamine, benzene diazonium chloride. ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು. ಸಿ ಅಮೈನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ if amine group having 3 hydrogen atoms, if one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by any other group, then it is called as primary. If any 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by other groups, then it is called as a secondary. If all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by other groups, then it is called as tertiary. So here this is primary because only one hydrogen atom is replaced. This is secondary because 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced. This is tertiary, this one, because all the 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 groups, whether it may be same or different, doesn't matter. So our option, the secondary amine is this one, ethyl methyl amine, because the 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 groups. So our option is 2. Next question. The compound that is more reactive towards SN1 ಯಾವುದು? ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, ಈಥೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್, 2-chloropropane, 2-chloromethyl propane. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈಸಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟರ್ಷರಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ? Similarly, as I have discussed in previous question, if all the hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 other groups, then it is called tertiary carbocation. If 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 groups, then it is called as a secondary. If primary means here all the only one functional group, only one group this is attached, this is called as primary. So SN1, this hint ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ SN1 reaction involves the formation of carbocation intermediate. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಲೀವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ SN1 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ is stable, that much it is reactive. If it is less stable, then it is very less reactive towards carbocation, less reactive towards SN1 reaction. See 4 options alli nodi. First methyl chloride alli this is it forms a primary carbocation which is less stable, because I told tertiary is greater. This is here primary carbocation which is less stable, so it is a SN1 reaction doesn't takes place, it is inactive. Here ethyl chloride, here secondary carbocation is formed, is somewhat more reactive towards SN1 reaction. Here 2-chloropropane is also secondary it forms secondary carbocation, therefore it also reactive towards SN1 reaction. The fourth option, it is a 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. This is it forms tertiary carbocation. As you know that tertiary carbocation, if it is more stable, it is highly reactive towards SN1 reaction. So our answer is fourth one, 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. Thank you. ಇದರ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಟ್ ದಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.